What are they doing over there?
Jarrett just got his backyard hibachi grill. It's all he's been talking about for weeks. Hibachi, hibachi, hibachi. But it is the happiest I've seen him in a long time.
What is so great about the grill?
Oh, it cooks so many more types of food than the average barbecue grill. And I have to say, with the high-end custom wood, it looks amazing in the backyard. It also has an ultra-thick steel cooktop, removable, dishwasher-safe stainless steel drip pan, high-quality liquid propane burner, and laminated wood top with marine-grade finish. And did I mention it has 30,000 BTUs?
Wait, did you say 30,000 BTUs?
Yeah.
My husband's only has 10. We don't even have a grill.
Hey, come on.
That's our cue.
Neighbors, the flaming volcano. Time for the hat trick. Yeah. Who's ready for shrimp? This guy is ready. I think it's you. Ready?
Splish splash taking a margarita shrimp bath. Your neighbors could also experience this delightful joy when you cook on your very own backyard hibachi. Join the revolution. Go beyond the grill.